I ruined my husband's birthday by gifting him a cheap cocktail smoker. Instead of a rich, smoky old-fashioned, we got a kitchen full of choking gray clouds and a bitter, ashy drink. Finding a smoker that actually works without making a mess or tasting like burnt plastic is surprisingly frustrating. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best cocktail smoker kits on the market, showing you exactly which ones waste your money and which one transforms your home bar into a Michelin star lounge. Let's count them down to the absolute best. 7. Mitbak Cocktail Smoker with Dome. Testing the Mitbak with Dome was an exercise in patience. Out of the box, it presents itself as a complete solution for anyone wanting to dabble in molecular mixology, featuring a handheld smoke gun, a flexible rubber hose, and a glass cloche dome. The idea is that you place your drink under the dome, feed the hose inside, and fill the chamber with smoke. It looks incredibly cool sitting on the counter, and the initial unboxing gave me high hopes for a theatrical drinking experience. However, putting it into practice revealed some immediate flaws. The main issue I encountered was with the smoker gun itself. It feels a bit hollow and plasticky in the hand, lacking the substantial heft you would expect from a premium bar tool. When I loaded the wood chips and fired it up, the motor struggled to pull a consistent draft. It required multiple relights just to produce enough smoke to fill the dome, which kind of ruined the seamless aesthetic I was going for when making a drink for guests. Then there's the issue of the rubber hose. While it is flexible and long enough to reach the dome easily, it tends to retain a heavy, stale smoke residue after just a couple of uses. No matter how thoroughly I try to clean it, that lingering campfire smell started transferring a harsh, almost chemical-like aftertaste to more delicate cocktails. It works fine for heavily peat scotches where the flavor is already intense, but it completely overpowered a lighter, gin-based botanical drink. 6. Viski Cocktail Smoking Kit. Unlike the cumbersome dome and hose setups, this kit relies on a sleek glass smoking stand and a specialized glass pitcher. You place the smoking pellets in the stainless steel mesh basket at the top, light them, and let the smoke billow down into the pitcher before mixing your cocktail. Visually, it is one of the most attractive pieces of barware I have tested, looking more like an alchemist's tool than a standard smoker. Unfortunately, form severely outweighs function with this design. The kit uses compressed wood pellets instead of traditional wood chips, which I found surprisingly difficult to ignite. I had to hold my butane torch over the pellets for what felt like an eternity before they would catch and stay lit. Once they finally did, the smoke output was underwhelming. Instead of a thick, rolling white cloud, it produced a thin, wispy vapor that barely coated the sides of the glass pitcher, resulting in a very faint smoke flavor in the final drink. Another frustrating aspect of the Viski kit is its fragility. The glass pitcher and the smoking stand are made of relatively thin borosilicate glass. While testing it, I was constantly terrified of tapping the glass too hard with my bar spoon or knocking the top-heavy structure over. When dealing with fire, tools, and alcohol, you want equipment that feels sturdy and stable, but this setup demands an overly delicate touch that disrupts the natural, relaxed flow of making a cocktail. Furthermore, the design forces you to smoke the mixing vessel rather than the finished drink. By the time you add your ice, spirits, and bitters, and then stir everything together, much of the already faint smoke aroma simply dissipates into the room. 5. Middleton Mixology SmokeTop. The Middleton represents a major shift towards simplicity and effectiveness. This is a classic top smoker design, consisting of a beautifully turned wooden disc with a mesh screen in the center. You simply rest the wooden top directly over your glass, add a pinch of their provided wood chips, and hit it with a torch. I was immediately impressed by how intuitively it worked. There are no hoses, no domes, and no moving parts to break or clean, which makes the entire process incredibly straightforward. When I tested this with an old-fashioned, the smoke production was instantaneous and dense. Because the smoke is forced directly down into the glass where the drink and ice are already waiting, the infusion is much more intense. The smoke visibly cascades down the sides of the glass like a waterfall, which provides a fantastic visual presentation without requiring a massive footprint on your bar. The flavor it imparts is deep, rich, and truly elevates the spirits you are using. While I really enjoyed using the SmokeTop, it is not entirely without its quirks. Because the mesh screen sits directly above your beverage, I did notice that if I wasn't extremely careful, tiny bits of ash could occasionally fall through the screen and land in my drink. It didn't happen every time, but it was enough of an annoyance that I had to start tapping the screen clean between every single use and making sure I didn't overfill the wood chip reservoir. Despite that minor inconvenience, the portability and ease of use make this a fantastic option. The wood chips that come with the kit are very high quality, offering a clean burn without any acrid undertones. 4. Aged and Charred Cocktail Smoker Barrel Kit. Instead of a flat wooden disc, this smoker is shaped like a miniature whiskey barrel, which adds a wonderful touch of character to your home bar setup. When I first took it out of the box, the craftsmanship was immediately apparent. The wood is solid, the finish is smooth, and it feels like a premium accessory that is meant to last through years of cocktail crafting. What sets the barrel design apart from standard top smokers is the larger combustion chamber. I found that this shape actually helps channel the smoke more aggressively into the glass. When I hit the wood chips with the included culinary torch, the smoke didn't just drift down, it poured heavily into the drink, completely blanketing the ice and the liquid. This resulted in an incredibly robust flavor profile. I tested it with a Manhattan, and the smoke adhered beautifully to the sweet vermouth and rye whiskey. The kit includes a high-quality torch, which is a massive bonus. Finding a reliable torch is often a hidden cost with these kits, but the one provided here has a strong, adjustable flame that lights the chips in seconds. The wood chips provided by Aged and Charred are also noteworthy. They offer a great variety of woods like oak and cherry, and the chips are cut to the perfect size, not so fine that they turn to ash instantly, but not so large that they refuse to stay lit. If I had to point out a limitation, it would be that the barrel's wide base means it doesn't sit quite as securely on very narrow glasses like standard champagne flutes, if you're trying to get experimental with bubbly cocktails. 3. Crafthouse by Fortessa Smoking Box. This isn't just a smoker, it is a full presentation piece. The glass and stainless steel box is designed with a sliding door, allowing you to place one or even two full-size drinks inside. Designed in collaboration with world-renowned bartender Charles Joly, the pedigree of this tool is evident the moment you place it on your countertop. I tested this by making 2 smoked Negronis simultaneously, and the experience was flawless. You use a handheld smoking gun to pipe smoke through a dedicated hole in the side of the box. Because it is a sealed environment, the smoke completely envelopes the drinks, infusing both the liquid and the garnishes evenly. When you slide the door open to serve, thick clouds of aromatic smoke roll out across the bar. It is exactly the kind of show-stopping presentation you would expect at a high-end speakeasy, right in your own home. The build quality is exceptional. The glass is thick and durable, the metal frame is sturdy, and the sliding door operates smoothly on its track. Unlike the dome setup I tested earlier, this box feels permanent and professional. Furthermore, because the smoking gun is external and you're piping the smoke into a large chamber, there is zero risk of ash ever making its way into your drink. You get all of the clean, aromatic benefits of the smoke without any gritty residue. The only real consideration here is the sheer size and price of the unit. This is a substantial piece of equipment that demands dedicated real estate on your bar or counter. It is not something you can easily tuck away in a drawer after use. 2. Breville Commercial CSM 700 Smoking Gun Pro. While it is not sold as a traditional complete cocktail kit, this device is the undisputed gold standard used by professional bartenders and chefs around the world. Upgrading to this from consumer-grade smoke guns is like stepping out of a golf cart and into a sports car. The die-cast stainless steel housing gives it a rugged, heavy-duty feel that assures you it can withstand constant, rigorous use without burning out. The performance of the Breville Pro is frankly astonishing. It features a variable fan speed dial, which gives you complete control over the intensity of the smoke. When I wanted to lightly smoke a delicate martini, I turned the fan on low to gently coax the smoke over the liquid. When I wanted to deeply infuse a batch of whiskey in a large mixing glass, I cranked it to high, and it produced a veritable chimney of thick, opaque smoke in a matter of seconds. The efficiency with which it burns with chips is unmatched. Another massive advantage of this unit is how incredibly easy it is to clean and maintain. Unlike cheaper plastic models where residue builds up and ruins the motor, the Breville Pro is designed to be fully dismantled. The heavy-duty metal smoke chamber and barrel pop off easily, allowing you to scrub away any tar or resin buildup. The rubber hose is made from high-grade silicone, making it much easier to wash out, ensuring that the flavors from your applewood don't bleed into your hickory with the next time you use it. 1. Aged and Charred Premium Cocktail Smoker Kit. After testing so many different styles, shapes, and mechanisms, this kit perfectly balances simplicity, performance, and outstanding value. It takes the top smoker concept and refines it to absolute perfection. The wooden smoker itself is beautifully crafted from solid oak, featuring a sleek, tapered design that fits perfectly over everything from Glencairn tasting glasses to wide, double rocks glasses. It just feels right in your hand, substantial, well-engineered, and elegant. What truly elevates this kit to the top position is the flawless execution of its components. The kit includes a heavy-duty, premium butane torch that outshines every other included torch on this list. It fires up instantly with a powerful, concentrated jet flame that ignites the wood chips evenly in a fraction of a second. The wood chips themselves are packaged in generous tins, offering rich, distinct flavors that burn cleanly. When you hit the chips with the torch, the resulting cascade of smoke is thick, aromatic, and deeply infuses the cocktail without ever tasting scorched. I was particularly impressed by the design of the metal ash guard. Unlike other top smokers where ash falling into the drink is a constant threat, the Aged and Charred kit features a precision machine filter that completely blocks debris while allowing maximum smoke flow. I smoked dozens of drinks with this kit during my testing phase, and not a single speck of ash made it into the glass. It delivers an impeccably clean smoking experience every single time, preserving the pristine look and texture of your cocktail. Everything about this kit just works effortlessly. It comes beautifully packaged in a custom presentation box, making it the ultimate gift for a whiskey lover. But more importantly, it is a tool you will actually want to use every weekend.